In this video, you will learn how to add a table to your Keynote presentation. The way you add a table to your Keynote is you come up to the upper toolbar and you click on the word table. You can scroll through as many options as you'd like for the type of table you want to add, and once you've found one you like, you're going to click on the table. Now you'll see this table has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. For this table, you need to add a table that has 5 columns and 4 rows. So I need to make a couple of adjustments. The way I do that is by clicking on the equal sign for the columns, and I'm going to go up 1 and add 1 more. So now I have 5 columns. And then come down here to this equal sign and take 1 away, so I only have 4 rows. Now I'm going to be adding the price table for my individual products that I'm selling. So I'm selling a basketball, I'm selling a volleyball, and I'm selling a soccer ball. Now my columns are going to be selling cost, wholesale at 20%, and then I have markup cost at 30%, and then I have my final selling price. So actually over here I'm going to write product. Now notice the font is too big for the boxes, so what I can do is I can highlight the font, go back to format, and then I can change the size of my font to make my words fit. So I can do that for every individual cell. I can also, for every individual cell, I can change the type of border and the type of fill. So let's say I wanted to change the color for every cell that I have, so that way it distinguishes one from the next. And I can change my last one to orange. I can also change the color of my font. So if I go back now to text and I make my font much smaller so I can see it all, I can change the color as well by clicking on the color option. And I can change the type of font that I'm using again. I can also change in my cells for my table, I can change the color, whether it alternates row colors. So let's say I want to change this to alternate with the color yellow. So that's how I would do that. And with this, you can also, if you click on cell, you can go to border styles and you can change the type of borders around each cell. Instead of having a straight line, you could choose to have a dashed line. You could choose to have no border at all. It's really up to you, or you could choose to have thick lines. Whatever helps you organize your information the most.